Hi friends, today I am going to make some exotic dessert in a very easy manner, and that is called tiramisu. You all know that. Classic tiramisu is generally made with espresso flavor, but I am going to give a twist to the flavor by adding strawberry syrup and rose wine. This tiramisu is with a twist. So I am going to make some tiramisu that's flavored with strawberry, rose wine and mascarpone cheese as well as chocolate and your favorite whipping cream. Making strawberry syrup, we need pure strawberries, around 15 strawberries, half cup of sugar, pinch of salt, 1 cup of water and juice of a lime. Strawberries goes inside the saucepan. We'll add the sugar. We'll add pinch of salt and we'll add the water. Now we'll cover it and we'll slow cook in the medium flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of slow cooking, our strawberries are completely cooked. Now I will add juice of lime to give us tangy, sweet taste. Now we are going to mash it and we are going to strain it and then we are going to cool it down. Strain the strawberries and mash little more. Now mash those strawberries and strain the juice out. Look at this vibrant color. Now we are going to cool it down and we'll add some more ingredients, then our syrup will be ready. Tiramisu is generally 3-layer dessert. Bottom layer is always made out of ladyfinger biscuit dipped into espresso. Middle layer is made out of mascarpone cheese and whipping cream, and top layer is always sprinkling some cocoa powder. This recipe is totally eggless to bring down the calorie, as well as many vegetarian people can make it just like that. See what all ingredients are there for our strawberry flavored tiramisu. I have some whipping creams. The total amount is 700 ml. I have this vanilla extract, 1.5 cup powdered sugar, strawberry syrup, mascarpone cheese that is 450 grams, half a cup of rose wine, cocoa powder, grated chocolate and ladyfinger biscuits. I am using this brand. Let's mix the mascarpone cheese and sugar and vanilla essence and let's make the mixture. So mascarpone cheese goes into the bowl and this mascarpone cheese will make little softer, so we'll use little whipping cream inside this. We have total amount 1.5 cup sugar. We'll mix 1/4 cup of sugar into the mascarpone cheese. Now slowly we'll add 4 to 5 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream to make it little softer. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And in very low speed mix it well. Do it for less than 1 minute and our mascarpone mixture is ready. It's soft because we have added little whipping cream. Time to make heavy whipping cream into a chilled bowl. This bowl I kept inside the freezer for half an hour. Now I'm going to add our whipping cream inside this. In very low speed, less than 1 minute, we'll mix it with hand mixture. Now slowly we are going to add rest of the powdered sugar inside this bowl and mix it. Now use this very low speed to mix it well and slowly increase the speed. Few tablespoons of vanilla essence. I am beating it for approximately 4 to 5 minutes and it is almost reaching to the steep peak. I am waiting for that. Beating in a medium speed after 4 to 5 minutes, I reach steep peak. In this stage, cream will not fall and it's already. In this stage, we will mix our mascarpone mixture to the whipping cream mixture. Very low speed to mix these two mixture. Our mixture is ready, so we'll put inside the freezer for 10 minutes before using it. We'll cover the bowl with a clean plastic wrap. We'll put inside the freezer for 10 more minutes. Cup of rose wine. If you want to make it non-alcoholic, please avoid this part. I love to add some rose wine into the strawberry syrup. Took out our mascarpone and whipping cream mixture after 10 minutes keeping inside the freezer. Now time to dip all these ladyfinger biscuits inside this strawberry syrup. And we will not dip it for a long time. And now we'll start layering up. Our ladyfinger bed is ready. That I dipped these biscuits inside the syrup and I layer it up. This is the bottom layer. Now we'll keep the second layer with our whipping cream and mascarpone cheese mixture and properly distribute it. So first layer is done with this dipped biscuit and this cream mixture. Now second layer we'll again put this dipped biscuit on top of that. So second layer of biscuit is done. Add some more cream from top of that and cover it up. So our layering is done. We'll put some cocoa powder from top of that. Dust some cocoa powder from top. Layer it up with some grated chocolate. Put few of your favorite fruits. You can put strawberry, you can put blueberry, you can put kiwi, anything you like. Tiramisu is ready to get inside the freezer for overnight and serve next day to your guests. Look at this beautiful layered tiramisu is ready. That's flavored with strawberry and rose wine and topped with mascarpone cheese and whipping cream. And dust some cocoa powder and some taste of dark chocolate. It will be really nice to treat your guest and as well as your taste bud. We just wrapped it with a plastic food wrap so that it doesn't get spoiled, and we will be keeping inside the freezer for overnight. You can serve your guests next day.